ASUS ZenBook 14X OLED Q410VA. Unity System Solutions. Powerful, portable, incredible. Put your mobile life on a rock-solid footing with the new ZenBook 14X OLED. This new thin and light laptop has a choice of serene inkwell grey. Inside, there's one of the latest 13th Gen Intel Core H series CPUs with 8GB of fast LPDDR5 memory and a 512GB PCIe 4.0 SSD. There's also a bigger 14.5-inch 1610 2.8K 120Hz OLED HDR Nano Edge display, one Intel Iris Xe graphics, and a longer-lasting 70 Wh battery. ZenBook 14X OLED delivers more, in every way. Designed to give you the best of all worlds, ZenBook 14X OLED delivers uncompromising performance in a compact, slim and lightweight design, along with a powerful long-lasting battery that keeps you productive for longer. It's ready to tackle anything, anywhere. ZenBook 14X OLED makes light work of any task, thanks to the full multitasking power of up to the latest 13th Gen Intel Core i5 processor combined with 8GB RAM and Intel Iris Xe graphics. An ultra-fast PCIe 4.0 X4 SSD ensures fast access to your apps and data, and you can enjoy gigabit-class wireless connections with the latest Wi-Fi 6E, 802.11ax. Convenient connections. ZenBook 14X OLED is packed with all the I/O ports you need for easy connectivity to the latest devices and peripherals. The latest ultra-fast Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports support fast charging, 4K UHD external displays and up to 40 gigabits per second 12 data transfers, and there's also an HDMI 2.1 port and a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A port. Communications and audio I/O are taken care of by the convenient audio combo jack. Clearer, brighter and more vivid colors with the bigger 14.5-inch Nano Edge OLED HDR display. Bring scenes to life with professional-grade colors. Leading 120Hz motion clarity. More frames per second, so fast-moving visuals are smoother and clearer than ever. Make it personal, ASUS Splendid. Fully customizable color with sRGB, DCI P3, Display P3, ErgoSense Touchpad, smooth as new, with every touch. The ASUS ErgoSense Touchpad is smooth, comfortable, responsive and easy to clean. Rapid data entry. For easy number crunching, the touchpad includes the ASUS NumberPad 2.013 virtual numeric keypad. ErgoSense Keyboard, comfortable typing experience. The ASUS ErgoSense keyboard has an incredibly satisfying feel, with the optimum key bounce and travel, calculated with fine-tuned precision. ZenBook 14X OLED frees you from the power outlet. With its long-lasting 70 Wh battery, you can stay productive for the whole working day, and you can quickly top it up thanks to fast charge technology. The advanced ASUS Ice-Cool cooling system gives you full control over the balance between performance and fan noise. Performance mode maximizes the fan speed, so the CPU can deliver its top performance. Whisper mode provides cool and quiet power-saving operation, and standard mode intelligently optimizes all parameters for everyday tasks.